Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to register for CRA for the first time. First, decide if you really need to register. If you already have an account for my account, a business account or represent a client, you don't need to register again. If this is your first time, you will need a few documents to start. Your social insurance number, your date of birth and details from your most recent tax return. You will also need one of the following for faster access: your Canadian passport, driver license, or a provincial ID card. Once you have your documents ready, choose a sign in option. There are two main ways to sign up: CRA user ID and, password, or a sign in partner like your bank. If you are registering with CRA user ID, select the option or choose sign in. Now verify your identity. You can either submit a photo of yourself with the ID document or wait for a CRA security code to arrive by your mail. If you opt for photo verification, use your mobile device to take a real-time picture of yourself and your ID. You must be 16 or older for this. For extra security, you will need to enroll in a multi-factor authentication. You can choose to receive a one-time passcode via an authenticator app, phone, or a passcode grid. Once you have completed the steps, you will be able to sign into your CRA account securely. And don't forget to keep your details safe. That's it. Now you are ready to access your CRA account. Make sure to follow these steps carefully for a smooth registration. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.